Ruling today, a grand jury will decide if a Mobile County school teacher accused of shooting into a car full of people last month will be indicted.
But Kenesha Gilmore's lawyer claims she acted in self-defense and that it was the alleged victims who were the aggressors. Brendan Kirby has the latest.
Brendan, a little twist in this case today because the defense called a witness in the preliminary hearing, right?
Yeah, that's right, Byron and Lanice, and that's unusual. Normally, only the police case officer testifies at these proceedings. The defense uses it to get an early look at how strong the evidence is. But in this case, the defense called a witness to challenge the official narrative. Two starkly different pictures emerging about what went down at the Sideways Sports Bar and Grill on Spring Hill Avenue in August. Both sides agree that there was a verbal dispute between defendant Kenesha Gilmore, who was a Scarborough middle school teacher at the time, and another woman. They also agree the dispute spilled out into the parking lot and then turned violent. That's where the agreement ends. A police detective testified Wednesday that the victim told investigators Gilmore followed her and her friends down Spring Hill Avenue and fired at them near Sage Avenue and then again on Old Shell Road. That's where the alleged victim had pulled into her friend's driveway.
Certainly presents a very dangerous scenario for our community. These are public streets, and there was, the chase could have been high rates of speed. Anyone could have been on the road at that time, and certainly shooting in a residential area like that presents a grave danger to our community.
Mobile Police Detective Charlie Welch testified that investigators recovered 4 shell casings from the same 9mm gun and that the bullets damaged both the victim's car and a neighbor's parked vehicle. Under cross-examination, Detective Welch said that ring camera video he obtains doesn't show the shooting, and he said he didn't check to see if the bar or other businesses on Spring Hill Avenue had security footage. A friend of Gilmore's testified that she saw the alleged victim's car sideswipe Gilmore's car as she was leaving the bar, and Gilmore followed them to get their license tag. Defense attorney Marcus Fox says Gilmore fired in self-defense after the alleged victim backed out of the driveway and rammed his client's car.
The alleged victim reversed her car, ramming violently into my client's car. We would contend that only shots were fired once she was being attacked with a vehicle at that house.
There are other factual disputes. The prosecution contends that Gilmore fired at least 1 shot in the area of Sage Avenue. The defense denies that and notes that police didn't get any 911 calls from that area, and the police also didn't recover any shell casings there. Reporting live in the studio, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.